First question is, which of the following is an example of chemical change? The answer is option A, burning wood. Next question, what was the major impact of penicillin's discovery? The answer is option A is the right answer. First vaccine for prevention of smallpox. Next question, in which order did Mendeleev arrange the element in his periodic table? The answer is option D is the right answer, increasing atomic mass. Next question, in Holozoic nutrition, the first essential step for complex organisms is option C is the right answer, ingestion. Next question, the term complementary in the context of DNA refers to which of the following properties? Option D is the right answer, hydrogen bonding potential based on base specificity. Next question, which of the following foods would you advise to neutralize excess stomach acids? The answer is option A, baking soda. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct with reference to the p block element? The answer is option A is the right answer. They are also called transition element. Next question, a patient lacking bile production would suffer from deficiency in absorption of, option D is the right answer, fat soluble vitamin. Next question, what happens to the particles of substance when it is heated? The answer is option C is the right answer, they move faster. Next question, which kitchen process is an example of osmosis? The option is option A is the right answer, placing raw mango in a concentrated salt solution. Next question, which of the following best example why uracil is used in RNA instead of thymine? Option D is the right answer, uracil is energetically cheaper to synthesis. Next question, which functional group amino acids are directly involved in forming peptide bonds? The answer is option A is the right answer, carboxyl and amino groups. Next question, what is the SI unit of energy? The answer is option B is the right answer, joule. Next question, solubility of CH3COOH decrease in presence of CH3COONA due to, option A is the right answer, common ion effect. Next question, how many molecules are present in 2 moles of CO2? The answer is option B is the right answer, 1.2044 into 10 power 24. Next question, a new mutation allows Plasmodium falciparum to exit the liver without maturing into merocytes. What would be the immediate consequence? The answer is option A is the right answer, absence of RBC rupture and reduced clinical symptoms. Next question, which of the following is true about trichomes on stem? Option B is the right answer, they are multicellular and may be secretory. Next question, which of the following is common component in toothpaste for cleaning the teeth by neutralizing the excess acid to prevent the tooth decay? The answer is option A is the right answer, bases. Next question, where did Mendeleev arrange the elements in the periodic table with similar properties? The answer is option A is the right answer, vertical column. Next question, the Meissner effect is defining characteristic of which state of matter? The answer is option D is the right answer, superconducting state. Next question, DNA polymers catalyzes the addition of nucleotides during DNA replication. Its main role is to, the answer is option C is the right answer, synthesis new DNA strands complementary to the template. Next question, which type of wave is in a sound wave in air? The answer is option A is the right answer, longitudinal. Next question, standard base preparing in DNA occurs due to which type of bonding? The answer is option C is the right answer, hydrogen bonding. Next question. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen because it, option D is the right answer, removes oxygen from the packaging. Next question. How many naturally occurring elements did the periodic law originally reveal analogies among? The answer is option D is the right answer, 94.